Python originated as a scripting language. With Python, you just write top-level code in a text file, and it gets executed from top to bottom. If you want to write batch files or shell scripts that run slower than normal batch files or shell scripts, Python's great. But Python also allows developers to write component libraries. Python is often used to create object-oriented systems or libraries of functional methods. However, a problem occurs when a Python file contains both top-level code and a component definition. The problem? Anytime a developer imports the component, all of the top-level code runs. This is where Python's infamous if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore quote colon boilerplate code comes in. If a file contains reusable components or methods, along with executable code, Python devs are asked to move executable code into the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore quote colon method block. If a Python file is being used as the main entry point of the application, then the code in the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore quote colon block runs. If not, the file can be used as a reusable library. It's that simple. Now here's the problem. The use of the if name equals main block doesn't stop top-level code from executing. Even if the name equals main block exists, top-level code will still run. We simply trust that devs won't put anything malicious in there. However, if an unscrupulous dev put a worm, Trojan, script kiddie, or malware in a Python file, it would get executed on import. Yes, top-level code gets run on import. An object wouldn't even need to be created. It's a pretty big flaw, and there's really no way to mitigate against it, other than to design your entire security strategy on believing in the goodwill and kind nature of your developers. By the way, we don't have this issue in the world of Java. In Java, the entry point of a class is void main. You can really see the elegance of Java when a simple void main syntax is compared to the bulky if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore quote colon of Python. But that's a separate video. Unlike Python, it's impossible to run top-level code in Java. In Java, the main method is only called when explicitly invoked. No code ever gets run on import. Safety and security is baked into the Java platform. It's the Java way of doing things. Oh, and if you're agile and working with Scrum, please check out my recently published Scrum Master Certification Guide. It's available on Amazon. Python and Java devs will love it. We done? Yeah.